Hi, I'm Michelle Koppel, and today I'm going to answer the question, what happens if the IRS rejects my application for an ERC refund? I get this question a lot. People are worried I'm not going to get the money that I applied for. What's the answer? So let me tell you, they do not reject the application unless it's obviously fraudulent. So this would be akin to you filing your 1040, your personal income tax return, and you see on that tax return that you are due a refund of $800, and then you're saying, well, I'm applying to get that money back. No, you overpaid your taxes and you are due that money. And it's unless your form is incorrect, unless your tax return is incorrect, you will get that refund. So this is the form that we all filed. If we have employees, we filed the Form 941. This is a federal quarterly payroll tax return form. Now, when you file for the ERC, we do a lot of other preparation and calculations, but essentially what the IRS gets is an amended 941. So, and it looks like this. It's now 5 pages long. So if you filed the form 941 incorrectly, or the IRS didn't have it, then you can't have that amended. But you are amending the 941 that's already been filed, and then you're asking for a refund and you're entering your ERC wages on this form. The IRS does not get anything else. We don't send them, here's the laws, here's why I qualify. They don't get any of that. Down the line, maybe 3 years, if you were audited, then you would have to be pulling those documents, just like being audited on any other kind of tax return. So generally speaking, it just gets sent in and you get your check back. Now, the only time when I have seen that it's possible that you do not get your refund, besides obvious fraud, would be that you had not paid your payroll taxes. So if you file 941, I'm sure you're familiar with this form, and you paid all the payroll taxes that were due, and hopefully you have, because we are now amending the years 2020 and 2021 for the ERC. If you paid all those payroll taxes, then you will get the full ERC refund. If you didn't pay those payroll taxes, or you didn't pay a portion of them, then what would happen is the IRS can take out the payroll taxes only, the payroll taxes that are due to the IRS for the quarterly payroll taxes. So that would be the only case. If all your payroll taxes have been paid on time and your forms filled out correctly, you will automatically get your check. There's no real application process. We kind of say that word, but it's not an application. It's just a refund for an overpayment because you qualify for the employee retention credit. So this is Michelle Koppel, and I'm an enrolled agent, and I'm answering your questions on the ERC. Thanks for listening, and send me some questions.